Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you guys how to easily change the wristband on your Galaxy Watch Active starting right now. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel, where you'll find a playlist exclusively for Galaxy Watch Active. Be sure to check it out. Alright, so I have this Galaxy Watch Active with the 20mm original wristband that came with the watch, and I ordered this amazing magnetic loop band from Amazon for about $15, which I'll be reviewing today along with the trick to change the wristband easily. By the way guys, if you're looking to get this magnetic loop band, check the description of this video to find links to great deals on these wristbands and other accessories on our Amazon storefront, and you'll also find link to try Amazon Prime for absolutely no charge. Be sure to check it out. So let's start with reviewing this magnetic loop band, and stick with me till the end as I will show you how to swap these bands easily. So this magnetic loop band came in a plastic sleeve like this one. I ordered the black color, which does look good. However, you can choose from other color options. This band has a stainless steel mesh and came with these two spring bars, which are really good as they have a handle which makes it super easy to apply. I would really recommend you guys to look for a wristband with the handled spring bars. You'll know by the end of this video why I insist on this one. This band has a magnetic buckle, and to be honest, the magnet is pretty strong. No matter how fast you move or turn your wrist, it won't move, and snapping it on is really simple. In terms of looks, this band, in particularly the black band with the silver watch, looks pretty decent on me. The only downside to this band, which is not a deal breaker for me, is that sometimes the fabric of your clothes might get tangled up on the edges of the stainless steel mesh. The band manufacturer could have made the edges of the mesh much more smoother to avoid this, but hey, it does not happen all the time with me. Let's go ahead and swap these bands. Samsung has really done good job by providing these lug hole extensions, unlike the Fitbit Versa. Let me show you. Since the Fitbit Versa and the newer Versa 2 does not have these lug hole extensions, it gets really hard to insert the wristband with the spring bar. I have done a detailed video on how to change the band for Fitbit Versa 2 under 1 second, linked up here. Check it out once you're done watching this one. Similarly, for Fitbit Charge 2 and other smartwatches which have their own proprietary wristband locking system, sometimes makes it really tricky to change these bands. I have also done a video tutorial on how to change band on Charge 2 like smartwatches, linked up here in case if you're looking for such tutorials. However, that's not the case with the Galaxy Watch Active or the newer Galaxy Watch Active 2. So to pop the current band out, pull the latch towards you and the wristband will snap out. Let's go ahead and pop both sides out. It will be helpful if you have a bit of nails. You do not need longer nails, just tiny bit like mine should do the job. The original band has the handle encased inside the band, unlike the magnetic band does not. So just a heads up, there are chances of the spring bar shooting out if you don't watch for it. Now you can clearly see these lug holes on all the sides of the lug hole extensions. It is crucial to align the end of the spring bar right into this lug hole extensions, or else the band won't fit properly and may fall out. Let's go ahead and insert the magnetic loop band. I would like to have the watch placed on the left hand with the button facing away from my body, so I will start with this side first. The first step is to insert the spring bar in the groove. Next step is to align the end opposite to the handle in the lug hole. Last step is to pull the handle away from you and release in a way that the other end goes in the respective lug hole, and that's it, all done. Let's go ahead and install the other side. So that's it for today's video. It's this easy to swap the band on your Galaxy Watch Active. Let me know in the comments down below if you were able to change the band easily or you find it hard. I would really love to hear from you guys. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation for our effort to making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.